Technology has profoundly reshaped nearly every aspect of human life, bringing about both remarkable advancements and significant challenges. Here's a breakdown of its key impacts. Positive impacts. Improved communication. Technology has revolutionized how we connect, with tools like email, instant messaging, video calls, and social media bridging geographical distances. This has facilitated global collaboration, stronger social connections, and faster information sharing. Enhanced access to information. The Internet provides access to a vast repository of knowledge, empowering individuals with information for education, research, and personal growth. This has democratized learning and made it easier to acquire new skills. Advances in healthcare. Medical technology has led to breakthroughs in diagnostics, treatments, and pharmaceuticals, increasing life expectancy and improving quality of life. Telemedicine and remote monitoring have expanded access to healthcare, particularly in underserved areas. Increased efficiency and productivity. Automation and digital tools have streamlined tasks in various industries, boosting productivity and enabling businesses to operate more efficiently. This has led to economic growth and the creation of new opportunities. Enhanced entertainment and leisure. Technology has transformed entertainment, offering a wide range of options through streaming services, online gaming, and virtual reality. This has created new forms of entertainment and leisure activities. Educational advancements. Online learning and access to vast amounts of information has changed the way that people learn and gain new skills. Negative impacts. Decreased privacy. The collection and use of personal data raise concerns about privacy violations and the potential for misuse. Increased surveillance and data breaches pose significant risks. Social isolation and reduced social skills. Over-reliance on digital communication can lead to social isolation and a decline in face-to-face interaction. Excessive screen time can negatively impact social skills and emotional development. Mental health issues. Social media and constant connectivity can contribute to anxiety, depression, and feelings of inadequacy. Cyberbullying and online harassment pose serious threats to mental well-being. Job displacement. Automation and artificial intelligence may lead to job displacement in certain industries, requiring workers to adapt to new roles. Increased sedentary lifestyle. Increased screen time and reliance on technology can lead to less physical activity and negative health effects. Information overload and misinformation. The vast amount of information available online can be overwhelming, and it can be difficult to distinguish accurate information from misinformation. It's crucial to approach technology with a balanced perspective, recognizing its potential benefits while mitigating its risks. Technology has revolutionized human communication, offering an array of tools and platforms that have reshaped how we connect, share information, and interact. Here's a breakdown of the key ways technology has impacted and improved communication. Key improvements. Increased speed and efficiency. Instant messaging, email, and video conferencing allow for real-time communication across vast distances, eliminating the delays associated with traditional methods like postal services. Expanded reach and accessibility. Technology has made it possible to connect with people around the globe, breaking down geographical barriers and fostering international collaboration and relationships. Diverse communication channels. Technology offers a variety of communication channels, including text, voice, video, and multimedia, allowing individuals to choose the most suitable medium for their needs and preferences. Enhanced collaboration. Online platforms and tools facilitate seamless collaboration on projects, regardless of location, through features like shared documents, group chats, and project management systems. Greater information sharing. The internet and social media platforms have made it easier to share information and ideas with a large audience, promoting knowledge dissemination and public discourse. Improved accessibility for people with disabilities. Assistive technologies have made communication more accessible for people with disabilities, offering tools like screen readers, speech recognition software, and alternative communication devices. Specific examples of technological advancements and their impact. Email revolutionized business communication, providing a fast, efficient, and documented way to exchange messages and files. Instant messaging enabled quick and informal communication, facilitating real-time conversations and fostering a sense of immediacy. Video conferencing transformed remote communication, allowing for face-to-face interactions, enhancing nonverbal communication, and enabling virtual meetings and events. Social media connected billions of people worldwide, creating online communities, facilitating social interaction, and transforming how we share information and experiences. Mobile devices put communication technology in the palm of our hands, enabling constant connectivity, and blurring the lines between personal and professional communication. Overall impact. Technology has undeniably improved communication in numerous ways, making it faster, more efficient, more accessible, and more versatile. It has strengthened relationships, facilitated collaboration, and connected people across the globe. However, it's important to acknowledge the potential downsides, such as the blurring of boundaries, the decline in face-to-face interaction, and the spread of misinformation. By using technology responsibly and mindfully, we can harness its power to enhance communication and build a more connected world.